This product is uber hydrating. It repairs the barrier. It has salmon DNA in it. That is a bio-stimulator that reminds the skin to produce collagen. And so this PDRN, it's in a lot of Korean products. It is a Korean darling ingredient right now. It is really, really reparative and rejuvenative. They use it a lot on wound repair. So it's kind of in that almost Neogenesis-like repair mode. I mean, I find this product to be up there as far as its reparative quality, especially on damaged skin. So it's very nourishing. It has that regeneration effect that I was talking about because of the PDRN. It revitalizes the cells due to the PDRN and the other nutrition in it. So it helps the skin recover its elasticity. And I have noticed that on where I put it when I have psoriasis on my elbows and knees. It's also a highly concentrated formulation. So that's why it's called an ampoule. It offers intense care in just a little bit. And here, I have not used this on these since I got back, but it doesn't make you break out. This I'm loving because, yeah, the way it works is it's just so saturating and so hydrating and so reparative. An intense concentration of active ingredients. And that's why I love this product, because it is an ampoule. And so you do 1, maybe 2 pumps. It spreads really well. And so you put that everywhere. And then you would put on your sunscreen and you go. Now, if you want sort of like a facial effect, you could put this on before your sunscreen in the morning, and that would be, it just fills in all the cracks. I am loving this product. I'm so surprised at its efficacy because it seems like so much power packed into a little delivery system. Just a pump or 2 of this is like, and it gives that glossy sort of glass skin effect. Yet it doesn't break you out. I do not understand how they do that, but I am loving this product for that. It also has propolis extract in it, which helps rejuvenate tired skin, and that's from bees and from nature. So, and then no bees were harmed in the producing of the propolis for this. Right now, that glossy skin, it was glass skin, now it's sort of glossy skin, is really popular. It's enduring in Korea, where they love the glossy skin effect. And so they put in a few little tweaks into this product to help it give that glass skin effect. And one is their coiling polymer network, which I'm still wrapping my head around. But the feel of it, you feel it, because it's like, how can they deliver this much hydration in this thin of a formula? Where I feel like I look like my face, I've had a facial after I put this on. Like, it increases my hydration that much. It's just a really interesting product. It's elegant, it's powerful. So it says here that reticulated polymers wrap around linear polymers to stabilize access to active ingredients with a small amount of polymer. So it's basically like a mesh screen that smashes all the active ingredients closer to the skin, which how did they think of this stuff? It's just it's Korean skincare. I'm gonna go ahead and put some of this on my hands so that you can see. It says highly nutritious milky texture creates a hydrating film to create natural glossy skin. So they say it's a film, but it does not feel like a film to me. I'm still so surprised at the delivery of this, how it is so light yet so saturating and doesn't make me break out. I'm still kind of gobsmacked by that. It's just an interesting delivery system. Number 3 is a special texture. Experience the elasticity and regeneration of the skin at the same time with a special formulation of Dr. Estie's Rejuvenating Ampoule. So this can be used morning or night, part of a nighttime skincare routine. The active ingredients is that PDRN and the propolis. So it's very reparative to the skin. So I want you to see how this comes out. That's why it's got that stretchiness to it, but it doesn't feel sticky. It's so interesting how it doesn't feel sticky. Yeah, and they were saying that they did studies in the lab where the skin went from, on the skin hydration index, I don't exactly know how they measure it, but it was 30 and then it ended up at 46. It's in there. It's all in Korean, but yeah, it's just like instantly hydrates the skin. You can see like all the little wrinkles. Everything is just all plumped up. And it also is helping with the redness in my hands a little bit. And it is a glorious lifting, tightening, brightening, hydrating, rejuvenating treatment. Thanks for watching. Talk to you soon. Bye now.